In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM. Let's get started with a quick and easy walkthrough of how you can navigate this platform, especially if you're new to using CRM systems. First, we'll begin by heading over to your preferred web browser and simply searching for HubSpot CRM. This will bring up the official page among the top results. From there, click on the HubSpot CRM link to be directed to their website, where you'll find an option to explore more about what HubSpot CRM offers. Once you're on the site, look for the Get Started Free button. This option allows you to try out the platform without any initial commitment and gives you the chance to explore its features. Next, if you don't already have an account, you can create one. If you do have an account, go ahead and choose it or enter your login details. After entering your information, you'll be prompted to confirm by clicking on Continue with this user. Next, if you're managing multiple accounts, you'll need to select which account you want to continue with and click on Continue with this account. This will lead you to the main dashboard, a centralized location that will serve as your default view and main navigation hub. Now let's become familiar with the dashboard. Here you'll find different categories like contacts, companies, deals, tasks, and reports. This will be your headquarters for managing all your leads and customer interactions. When you're ready, click on the Contacts section. This is where your journey in managing relationships truly begins. Importing contacts is straightforward. Simply navigate to Contacts, select Import, and choose to either upload a CSV file or directly connect to services like Gmail or Outlook to automatically bring your contacts into HubSpot. As you grow familiar, you can add company profiles for each business client you work with. This makes tracking organizations easier. Furthermore, in the Deals section, you can create and manage sales opportunities to observe your team's progress through the sales pipeline. HubSpot CRM offers an array of tools to enhance productivity. Email tracking lets you send and track emails directly within the system. You can also add notes to contacts and assign tasks to team members, ensuring all communication is logged and actioned promptly. Additionally, integrating your calendar with the Meetings tool can enhance scheduling, making it more efficient to plan and conduct calls. Another fantastic feature is the ability to automate your follow-ups with the Workflows tool. While sequences are available for paid plans, free users still have opportunities for reminders and task queues, optimizing your time management. Monitoring your performance is essential. Select Reports. Dashboards to access metrics such as deals closed, emails sent, and conversion rates, offering valuable insights to refine your processes. As you explore HubSpot further, don't forget to check out the app marketplace for additional integrations and enhancements. And there you have it, a complete overview of HubSpot CRM to get you started. Happy managing, and may your efforts yield great success.